again, loves, Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. If you remember from the last layout, I had an extra picture and a few things, so I've kind of pulled these all together. And I was thinking we will use the hearts and the rainbows. So we'll get this put on here, and like so. That is like way off. Like, I really messed that up. Alright. Or I've got it cut funky, which, you know, hey, that could be it as well. So, we're just gonna, we'll just shear that up real quickly. I'm very impressed with the way that I am mowing. Oh, I was hoping that would fit. What if we run this one to the edge and then put this one like right there? That will break that up. Oh, that's fun. Okay. And let's pop this up on a shim foam. Okay. This is fun. Oh, totally thought something was like, I really honestly thought something was leaking, you guys. Like, oh man. Okay. Let's just get this stuck right in there. Okay. And hopefully I can remember to speak and not leave so much dead air. Apologies. Let's see. What if we made this kind of like that? I don't know if I like that, so that might change. Do like that. So let's pull that off and put it down here. Well, let's go up here. Let's just go right here. Yes. And this says do all the things. There is never a dull moment when you are hanging with these ladies. That is faux show. Okay. We're just going to start tucking in some items. Sweet Life. This one says important stuff. So let's drop that right there. Why not? Enjoy the life, eat the cake. I don't really want that many. It's too much of this. Let's put this one here. And let's bring this one down here, and then we can pop. Whoa. This guy up there. Loving all the stuff. there. Let's go ahead and drop this one up there. What else? There's some gold stars that we can put one each of the hearts. And I like adding things to the pictures. That says hello, but I'm just going to make it say friendship. And you guys, honestly, I'm digging it the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and call this a win for a layout. Easy peasy, used up. I still have all of these things. Maybe we should come in with some those guys too, right? Why not? So yeah, so these are coming together real simple. I am enjoying creating with them, so that is fun. Don't forget to check out the links down below. Pick these things up. I do have some affiliate codes if you would like to use those, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.